Any of the Smart Woodshop fam following along, you know I've got over 1,000 videos up here, over a decade on YouTube, and I am a router shop. I use handheld routers. I use them for making things usually. A lot of the decorative stuff, yeah, I use it for that a little bit, but mostly these are my manual CNC. Does everything a CNC does, only I don't have a computer driving it. So I use router tables. In fact, part of the Smart Station, you know, I have these router tables hanging off the edge, and I use heavy over 3 horsepower routers in these.